Good evening. Welcome to Big Pete's House of Munch. May I help you?
Yes, do you accept the Discover card?
Ha! Hey, Lois, Diamond Jim Brady over here just asked if we accept the Discover.
Morning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Nassau County in northeastern Florida, southeastern Baker County in northeastern Florida, northwestern Clay County in northeastern Florida, central Duval County in northeastern Florida, southeastern Charlton County in southeastern Georgia until 7:45 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cecil Field, or 11 miles west of Jacksonville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jacksonville, Orange Park, Callan, Jacksonville International Airport, McClenny, Ortega, Cisco Gardens, St. George, Oakleaf Plantation, and Cecil Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Baker, Clay, Duval, and Nassau, and Charlton, Georgia.
That isn't easy, even if you're a guy.
And then there's more.
Babes, the hardest was
Oh, come on!